Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Onyomi is kei, kyo. Kunyomi is ani, ani. Ani is elder brother. Ani is used to refer someone else's elder brother. Oni-san is used for own elder brother. Kyodai. Kyodai is siblings or brothers. Pukei is guardians. This is kanji of chichi, father. Pukei, guardians. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi. Onyomi is tei, dai. Kunyomi is ototo. Ototo is younger brother. Ototo, younger brother. Deshi, pupil. This is kanji of ko, child. Shitei, children. Shitei, children. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Onyomi is she. Kunyomi is ane. Ane. Ane is elder sister. Ane is used to refer someone else's elder sister. One-san is used to refer own elder sister. Shimai. Shimai is sisters. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Onyomi is mai. Kunyomi is imoto. Imoto. Imoto is younger sister. Imoto, younger sister. Shimai, sisters. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Onyomi is ka, ke. Kunyomi is iye, ya. Iye, house. Iye, house. Kazoku, family. Kazoku, family. Oya, landlord. Oya, landlord. When you type, this kanji looks like this, but we write this. We have seen this kata, person. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi. Onyomi is zoku, family, tribe. Kazoku, family. Kazoku, family. Minzoku, minzoku, people, race, nation. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu. Onyomi, ichun. Kunyomi is haru. Haru, spring. Haru, spring. Spring. Seishun. Seishun is youth. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Onyomi is ka. Kunyomi is natsu. Natsu. Natsu is summer. Natsu, summer. Natsu yasumi. Natsu yasumi, summer holiday. We have seen this kanji. Yasumi, holiday. Natsu yasumi, summer holiday. Let's practice these kanjis. Oni-san. Oni-san is elder brother. Kyodai. Kyodai, siblings or brothers. One-san. One-san is elder sister. Elder brother is Oni-san. Elder sister is One-san. Shimai. Shimai is sister. Kazoku. Kazoku. Kazoku is family. Natsuyasumi. Natsuyasumi, summer vacation.